Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to e-learning program for computer science students of class 9. Unit 1 Problem Solving Lecture 3. Example of flowchart. In this example, a task is given to draw flowchart to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. First, we shall draw star symbol like oval shape to start flowchart. After that, we require input data for Celsius. For that, we draw input symbol as parallelogram. In next step, we shall draw a rectangular shape for processing and write the formula to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. After processing, we shall require an input. For that, we use parallelogram as output symbol and write print Fahrenheit in it. Now the program is ended. Here we shall use oval shape to end it. Next example of flowchart. In this example, we have to display the larger number out of 3 given unequal numbers. Same as in previous example, we shall use star symbol to start flowchart. Now we shall get 3 unequal numbers as input. Program shall make a decision to select the larger number from 3 given numbers as input. Here, program will compare the numbers one by one. In case of number, program shall repeat the program. In case of no, program shall repeat the program and repeat it until it gets the answer. In case of yes, the program will show the larger number and ends the program here. Further examples are given in the book are the same as explained previously. Student must study the remaining examples from the book and try to understand the symbols of flowchart and how to use them. Algorithm. Definition. An algorithm is a set of steps to solve a problem. Algorithm must be written in a natural language so it is easy to understand by humans. Here is an example of an algorithm for making tea. For starting, we shall write start. In next step, we shall take a kettle. After that, we shall pour some water in it. For boiling water, kettle must put on fire. Then, we add some sugar and milk in it and wait till it boils. Now after boiling, we shall remove the kettle from fire. Our algorithm has ended and we shall write end here. Role of algorithm in problem solving. First step by step guidelines. Algorithm is the key factor in solving any problem because it provides every step to guide us to solve particular problem. In other words, we can say that an algorithm is a complete description and explained for the solution. Step 2. Writing algorithm before coding. Algorithm has to be drawn first so that a programmer has complete understanding and then translate it into code of some programming language. Third step. Flowchart, algorithm and coding. Sometimes the designer of program must makes a flowchart to solve a problem and then writes the algorithm for coding. In the given figure, the role of algorithm is problem solving is explained as well.